Hi, it's Lynette here, so thank you for joining me. Today I've got a bit of a tickle in my throat, so I've had to keep stopping and starting. Anyway, I have not one Roccabox, but two. One of my lovely subscribers got in touch to let me know that the Roccabox mystery boxes were on sale, and not only that, they're usually £10, but they were down to £5. So I thought I would go on, order one, and then I thought order two. I'm going to take a risk. They might both be the same. That's not a problem. Any extras could go gone in a giveaway or what have you. However, they both arrived in the same packaging, which was good. So I only paid £1. I only paid one lot of packaging, which was £3.95, I think. So two boxes came to £13.95. This one's quite heavy and this one's light. So it says to me that they're quite possibly got different contents. I'm going to open the light one first. You get this lovely pink box with Roccabox, which I really like, and actually I'm going to keep them because it's quite good for me for giveaways, this size of box as well. Okay, so let's see what we've got. And they always do like the kind of pink paper wormies, which is cute. You get a leaflet in here that just says, hey you know, if you love this box, become a subscriber for £10 a month. And first item out of the box is L'Occitane, which is quite impressive. And I think this is body lotion. So it's got almond milk concentrate in it, 50 mils. Hope you can see that okay. And it's got that on it. I'm not going to open it because I've got loads of body lotion, but yeah, that's quite a nice one to get in the box to try. What else do we have here? Hawaiian Tropic Mineral Protective Sun Lotion, Skin Nourishing Milk, SPF 30, and it says it's reef friendly. There you go. So there's nothing in this that's going to damage any reef colonies, which is good. And it just says on the back, free sample, not for sale, so it is a sample. I'm imagining that's for your body rather than just your face. But there we go, I do quite like Hawaiian Tropic. The next one here is a brand that I do like, and it's Grow Gorgeous, and it's a detoxifying scalp scrub. So yeah, I am in my element. You know how much I love a scalp scrub. So that will definitely be getting used up. We've got a Marc Jacobs here, and it's a fine liner ultra skinny gel eye cream. There we go. I'll take it out the packaging so you can see. The weather's funny today. The sun's quite bright, but there's a lot of clouds. And I'm going to order it. I'm going to come off here and I'm going to go and order a new tripod because I'm at an angle and I can see that. So I love the packaging on this, the Marc Jacobs. Oh, and it clicks up. So there you go. Can you see that? So it's a pencil kind of liner rather than a felt liner. So it will definitely give that a wee bash. Pop that in. And Marc Jacobs is a good brand. I know a while ago, was it Latest in Beauty, were doing the mascara, so I picked a couple up for one of my friends. I can only really use waterproof mascara. I can use mascara that's not waterproof, but only if I'm not going anywhere, only if I'm staying in the house and maybe just filming. Oh, so this is Nip and Fab Fixes. It's a 20-minute no needle fix eye mask. It says targeted eye goggle mask to plump fine lines and wrinkles. Anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, plumping, rejuvenating, targeted action and fresh effect. Ooh. Might do a wee video on that. Don't look at the nails, they're all chipped. I was going to paint them, but I've got to go and clean my bathroom. The exciting life that I lead. So I thought I'll clean my bathroom, and then I've got to make a couple of things for next week for dinners. I'll make a couple of sauces, curry sauce and sweet and sour sauce. I just pre-make those. And it just means that all I have to do is heat up the chicken and cook the chicken and the veg in the wok, and then add the sauce and cook the rice or whatever. But I thought there's no point in painting my nails until I've done all of that. So yeah, they are a little bit chipped and look a bit crap. Don't really want to see that, do you? And I think this is like a wee added extra. It's ISO Clean for your brushes. And they put out, wow, you can smell it. It's and get this wrong, it's not surgical spirits, it's white spirits. You can smell that. The stuff that you can clean and repan things that have broken. It says IsoClean, experts in cosmetic hygiene, suffering breakouts, dirty makeup brushes reintroduce bacteria to your skin with every single makeup application. And it says clean brushes clear skin with IsoClean, and it tells you a little bit how to use it, specifically for your brushes, and helps prevent acne breakouts and congestion, antibacterial and antiviral, reduce plastic waste and save money with our eco refill scheme. That's actually quite good. So it says you pour this into the drip tray, provided there is no drip tray, until half full. This level of IsoClean ensures that you do not oversaturate your brush. Dip the brush in the solution and dry and remove it. You're ready to hygienically apply your makeup. So you can also buy refills of this if you like it, but to me it just smells like, is it surgical spirits, the stuff that you can use? Yeah, it definitely smells like that. So there we go. IsoClean makeup brush cleaner. Actually interesting that nowhere can I see what it actually has in it chemical wise. I'm not sure I would want to use it on my brushes and then put it straight on my face, to be honest with you, but it's probably very healthy and very, very good for you. But there we go. So that seems to come as, I think that's a wee freebie. There we go, the IsoClean. So for £5 I got the IsoClean, I got a Marc Jacobs liner, I got Hawaiian Tropic, although it does say sample not for sale, but we get that in all the boxes over the years. L'Occitane Milk Body Lotion is a really good size. Grow Gorgeous 50 mils, 30 mils detoxifying scalp scrub. You'll get a good few goes out of that. But the thing I'm most excited about is the Nip and Fab Fix for your eyes. I'll probably do a video on that if you want. And the next box, this was a heavier box, so I'm quite excited to see what's in here. Again, you get the little leaflet encouraging you, if you like this, to kind of come on board and become a subscriber. The free IsoClean. And oh, this is what's making it heavy. It says Beauty Papier, Golden Superfood Antioxidant Shower Gel. Look at the size of that. Pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange and aloe vera, and 300 mils. I've never heard of this brand before. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Oh, that smells lovely. And a new brand to try, which is quite exciting. What else do we get? Oh, we got another little L'Occitane milk concentrate. I'll definitely pop one of those in a giveaway, if not both of them. We have a product here that says Emery Nails. I don't know what this is. I will need to open it. Interesting, isn't it? Ah, it's a nail polish. I always think of Emery as an emery board. But Emery Nails is the brand, and it's a nice little light pink. There we go. Just what I need, more nail polish. And, oh, there's two more things in here, I think, yep. So there's Beauty Pro Hair Therapy Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. And it is actually a mask. Argan oil, jojoba seed oil and goji berry, and it's conditioning and nourishing, leaves hair silky smooth, and it's cruelty free. So you leave it on for 15 minutes and you can take it away with you. It says travel with me and contains natural ingredients. So there you go. It does come in, so you wash your hair as usual, and then you pop this on after shampooing. Once your hair is towel dry, and it's the mask, it does actually have a mask. You make sure your hair is completely covered and use the sticker to tighten and secure the hair mask. Slightly massage to absorb the nutrients, and keep on for 15 minutes. Remove mask and rinse hair with lukewarm water. And it's interesting that it's saying that you can travel with me, because these are often really good things. I always take a hair mask away with me, not one like this, but normally a hask or something like that away with me. But I've never actually taken this style of hair mask away, because when you're out in the sun and maybe you're in the pool, and you know, it's all things that are damaging and drying to your hair. So it's good to take either a really good conditioner or a hair mask to use a couple of times while you're away. I definitely recommend it. And Project Lip Mask, Prep the Pout, hydrating, smoothing and collagen infused masks. Now these always make me giggle. I've done a few of them and they're usually massive, so I will give that a bash. Keeps me quiet for a bit anyway. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove and pat lips to absorb excess serum. So all these kind of masks usually do are just trying to get additional serum into your skin, and that's doing the same with your lips. So for £5, or would have been £10 if we were paying full price, you get the ISO cream, you get the lip mask, you get the hair mask, which feels full of product. You get this massive golden superfood antioxidant shower gel, and you get the L'Occitane body milk, and you get this lovely nail polish. So out of the 2 boxes, the second one's my favourite, and I'm really glad that the boxes are different, because, well, I had planned if they were both the same, I thought I would just do a giveaway and give one of the boxes away, but I am glad that they're both different in case other people have decided to do what I've done and get 2 boxes as well. And some of these items, not the heavier ones, because it's the postage and packaging that always gets me when you're sending things. So I would tend to avoid putting something this size in a giveaway bundle anyway, but this won't go to waste. You know how I love my shower gel, and I've not been buying it because I've been using up my shower gel, so this won't go into my stash until I've used up most of my shower gel anyway. So, but I do look forward to trying that. Let me know, are you going to go off now and pick up this £5 Roccabox? I hope they're still in sale. I filmed this as soon as I received it, but I did put it on my socials, so if you have missed out on this, what I will say is make sure go into the description box down below and make sure that you're on my social media. I do it on my Instagram, and I put updates on my Facebook page that's connected to my Instagram. I was putting them up on the community page, but I don't know if how many people see that, because I get so little engagement there, and I thought I'm not going to bother popping it up there. So if you've missed out on this and you think next time you want to see it, definitely go over to one of my social media pages and I will pop this on there. But hopefully it's still in stock. I'll try and see if it is. I'm posting this up tonight, so hopefully it is still in stock and you can pick it up if you fancy it. But please let me know what you got. If you got a box that was completely different to either of those 2, I always love seeing what everybody gets or hearing. I'll speak to you soon. Thanks guys, bye.